These 5 products have made me $137,000 in a month. Stay tuned all the way to the end to find out. Welcome back to e-commerce finance and investing. We teach you how to choose the best winning product that sells like crazy and make money right from the first day. We also teach you how you can make money online with minimal effort and also how you can invest back the money so that you make 10 times more of what you have earned. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification to be the first one to make loads of money. Product number 5. Mini Portable Thermal Printer. This product is selling crazy, and my students are making tons of money just like Escobar did. These cost $45, and you can sell them for $80. It is small in size that is easy to carry, and it can print webpage prints, custom graffiti, labels, and more. These products are environment friendly, and ordering is very easy. Product number 4. Star Projector 3-in-1 Moonlight. These products cost $14 a piece, and you can easily sell them for $100 using Facebook ads. It has a battery capacity of 5 hours straight, and it can be easily charged with a USB cable. One click can bring stars to your room. Product number 3. Automatic Toothpaste Dispenser. This product costs less than $5 a piece, and you can easily sell it for $30 to $40 range. This dispenser is multifunctional. It can hold 5 toothbrushes, 2 cup holders, and drawer for other bathroom necessities. This is an everyday item and would help a lot of people, so selling this will make you profit. Product number 2. Flying Fidget Spinner. Well, to be honest, at first I was very unsure that this would sell or not. 2 days went by and there was no sale. By the 3rd day, it was selling like butter. I made over $9,000 on my 5th day. This costs $12 a piece and can be sold easily for $25 to $30 range. This product can be sold on all social media platforms as well. Product number 1. TikTok Butt Lifting Leggings. This product is for girls, obviously. Girls really care about their butts, so you can leverage it and use it to your advantage. This costs $3 a pair, and you can sell it for $15 to $30 range. I made $10,000 in 10 days with this product alone. A big secret: promote this product on TikTok and Instagram only. I tried Facebook but made only a couple of hundred sales. TikTok and Instagram are the best for this. Thank you for watching. Comment below how much money you have made it so far with dropshipping. If you face any problem related to dropshipping, then leave a comment and I will help you personally. If you are a beginner and confused about what product to promote, then click this video.